¿Qué rollo, mis cochones? We're back with another video, homies. We got all the homies over here working on the tahoe, big dogs. Ya nomás. What are we doing, Blackie? A ver, tell us, what are we doing? What we got going on, Blackie?
We're putting on them rim lights on the motherfucking tahoe.
A ver, so we're about to
We gotta
take the tires off, take the wheels off, wash them up, 'cause that's what Blackie did. Y ahora, we're gonna, where's the ring lights at? Watch out, let's connect these ring lights down. This is what we got going on right here. Pick these up. This is what we got right here. So we're about to install these holes on each side. We already did the back, so now it's time to do the front. Easy, simple, big dogs. A ver, Blackie, pone para que vean de volada. Pretty simple. Van a ir así nomás. And then we got some, están las little,
It's like,
let me see that little clamp.
it's on you, look. This little
Oh, esta madre, mira.
You just put them
The
right
little
here,
hardware. I'm gonna put it right here.
and you just gotta
Agarrar de
drill,
atrás. Vroom, vroom.
and you drill
And
it.
then it's got a little tornillo that goes in through here. Pero that's pretty much it. Just make sure whenever y'all get y'all's wire, y'all don't put it like over there where it's not supposed to be. The front ones gotta go to the back right here para que agarren. And the back ones, the wire has to go over here para que agarre para enfrente. You know what I mean? So that's what we got going on. We already have the two back ones, like I said. Check it out. That's what it's looking like. So that thing's hella clean, dog. Ya nomás. Real simple, big dog. So we'll get back to it once we start. I'll have somebody else help Blackie so I can record, so y'all can see what we got going on. 6-0, big dogs. Ya nomás. This is the hardware we got. Aquí.
They give you everything
So-
except the fucking, the little,
The
switch.
oh yeah, the switch and the
They give you everything but the switch.
little this shit right here. Look, we had to go buy some of these, so
Oh,
make
the
sure y'all go
screws.
buy these. If yours don't come with it,
At Home
self
Depot.
tappers, Home Depot. $8. So that's what we got going on. Already got the two front sides taken off, and we'll be ready to go. Look, there's the other wire on the back. Yeah, it's simple like that. Look, Blackie went through the tire wall right here. And nomás gonna go down here. So now only thing,
good.
zip tie everything, hide it away. Pero this is the cable right here. That's what we got going on. Simple, big dogs. Let's get it.
Whatever you want.
Connected over here. Watch out. Pero that one came with the fuse, Blackie, or no?
Which one?
Your whole este. It didn't, huh?
Just like that.
Just like that. We're gonna have to put a fuse. I think I have a fuse, right? I might have a fuse right here, extra fuse for Blackie. Oh yeah. Fans are good. You laughing at my hairstyle, good. Oh yeah. I have something up in here.
Chapo.
Chapo. I thought Blackie, look. We got fuses right here, big dogs. Go ahead and let them have one.
Get it, Ray?
Yeah, I got these. Gonna have to work. Come on. Yeah. That's all it is, big dogs. Look, comes with the fuse. Pinche alambre, that's it. Simple, big dogs. There we go, Black Super. Got to put it on the self tapper to the back. Way easier when you got the homies over here. Come on. Ale.
There you go.
Make sure it doesn't hit the back of your brake drum. No va a pegar? It is. Get the screwdriver and bend it back the dust cap. The brake does. So there you go. See, just like that. Just bend it back. It should be. Just make sure that shit won't move and come back forward, eh, Blackie? Bend it a little bit more. Like over here on the bottom. Yeah. There you go.
And then bend the top.
So y'all just be careful with that whenever y'all do that. Which it won't hit. Ya no se mueve de ahí, pero if you guys start hearing some squeaking or something, that's probably what it's going to be. We'll try to get the shortest little self-tappers that we could. Mira.
Grind them down.
That's the little hardware it comes with.
Right there.
See, through the back, it's got a little nut.
This little thing right here.
And there's one.
Y este va acá atrás.
It just goes in there like that, and that's how simple it is, big dogs. What the fuck you got going on right here, Blackie?
I'm over here.
Come on, ver.
We barely got done doing this
Mira
shit
nomás.
right here.
Yeah, nomás. Easy peasy, big dogs, just like that. All we gotta do is run wire, pretty much. We gotta do the other side, and we gotta run that wire. Mira, para que sepan que para todo hay maña, mira, lo que aprendió Blackie. Meter esa madre ahí para que no tope, ¿eh? ¿Qué tal? No que no. A la verga. Alright, big dog, we finally got all the lights on. It's tired already, dog. But we're gonna see Blackie put the tahoe out of him y a ver cómo se ve. And there you have it, big dogs. That's what the lights came out looking like. Look at that. Damn, shit goes hard, bro.
There's a quick next to
Man.